Competencia inglés. Aprendiz Feliz Andrés Betancur Sánchez. Tutora Joana Álvarez Cancino. La comunicación como expresión humana. Mi personaje, Luz Miriam Betancourt, my mother. Age, 64 years old. Birthday, 11 February. Occupation, various trades. Hobbies, travel to other cities. My mother, his history. Hello, I want to tell the history of my mother. You has been traveling to Spain since the year 2000. My mother is a woman born in a place in the department of Caldas, Cailets, Salamina, a 2-hour walk drive from the city of Manizales. She is a daughter from my late grandmother, Maria Mercedes Sanchez, and she grew up with 6 more siblings. As of the day, she is 64 years old. When my mother was 7-8 years old, this family from Salamina moved and settled in the city of Pereira. When they moved to Pereira, my mother met some good friends, some of one already died from various diseases, and some others are still alive. With these friends and her stay in Pereira, my mother began to enjoy her youth while she lived her life in the city where she came from, dancing and partying every weekend, but her wit moved into a board job in a clothing company. In this crazy life in Pereira, my mother met my father, out one I have no information, and sometime later she met another person, and from this union my brother was born. But the father was not responsible either with this situation. My mother worked all weekend. We were under the care of my paternal grandmother, Miss Maria Mercedes. We both worked, my brother and he dedicated ourselves to studying and finished my high school in the year 1996 and decided to join the ranks of the National Army for 1 year other. 1000 after entering the National Police, all this in order to lighten my mother's load, and a surprising moment. My mother said, I am going to Spain, and this and been 24 years, and she only visits us every 2 years. Her quality of life improved a lot since she is calmer and enjoys walking and seeing new places in Europe.